Hello everyone, this is Pranjal from Your Brandmate and I'll start with a story today. This is my story at the age of 15 or 16. Just out of sheer curiosity, I installed Linux in my PC. I was just exploring multiple tools that comes with Linux, right? And I came across this tool. I don't remember the name, but it has to do with DDoS attacks. It was around 1 AM in the night, just out of sheer curiosity, without any intention of hurting. I tried that tool in one of the websites and I didn't know that it was not a legal thing to do. But anyways, I did try that tool in one of the website and the website got down for 15 minutes. This was of course like when I see the previous days what it could be. It was a simple DDoS attack that over trafficked the web server. Most probably that website was on a shared server. It maybe took up around 15 minutes to reset that request. Imagine if a 15 or 16 untrained boy out of curiosity and without any intention of hurting anyone could have made this kind of things happen. Imagine what a trained hacker with real intention of hurting your business can do. And let's come to real life scenarios. When you're running a business and when you're using this kind of architecture, no matter if your servers are in AWS or any of the cloudless architectures like Vercel, you must be aware that you pay for bandwidth and not just for hosting and processing. In such a case where you might have been facing a DDoS attack, what it does is it just surges the bandwidth, and this bandwidth will already affect your billing. So that means that if you're paying maybe a couple $1,000s for your, it might increase to maybe 10x or 100x based on the intensity of DDoS attacks. So how to safeguard from this kind of DDoS attacks? The easiest way to do is you just have to use Cloudflare over all your domains, and what it will do is it will just safeguard you from DDoS attacks and a lot of other benefits of Cloudflare as well when you start digging down the features of Cloudflare. And setting up Cloudflare is super easy. You just have to change your name server from whichever domain provider you have purchased from. It could be GoDaddy. You just have to change the name server of your domain to the Cloudflare's custom name servers and it will do the magic for you. And it's super easy to set up, it's super easy to configure. And if you still feel any issue in setting up the Cloudflare, and maybe it could be deploying your web app for you and maybe even developing your products for you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you feel that this video was helpful, like, comment, and if you have any doubt you can comment down below. And if you have any business inquiries you can always reach out to me at sayhi@yourbrandmate.in or pranjal@yourbrandmate.in. So thank you so much and hope you like this video. Bye.